Lezi izindaba zethembisa online. Right ake sikubingelele sikwamukele sawubona igama lami ngingumfanelo uphenye ibheshu ngingwakwaZanibe isibongo. Sikwethulela izindaba konke okwenzekayo endaweni yaseThembisa, Ivory Park, Rabe Ridge nezindawo ezisungezile. Sikwethulela umbiko lapho sithi khona sekusukume amaphoyisa inhlaka eyibhekele ukuphepha emphakathini zawo Mogada ukubambisana nabazali kanjalo nothisha. Njengalokhu ke ibonakala ke ikhula inkinga ababhekene nayo ezikoleni yokulimazana ke kwabafundi nalolu choko ke olubizwa ukuthi ke ibullying. Lapha ke esikoleni sibizwa ukuthi ke iBukamuso Secondary School sekubeke negameko ezithi azibe ningana nokho zokulimala ke kwabafundi. Ake sikhulumisane ke nazo ke lezi inhlaka okufaka phakathi kwaMaphoyisa aseThembisa ukuze ke sizwe ukuthi njengalokhu kubanjwe umhlangano ngabe ke ivumelwano zihamba kanjani. Mnumzane asikunika ithuba ubingelele emphakathini, siyazi ukuthi ke ungomunye wabazali noma community members aba attend meeting la.
Ngiyabingelela kumfanelo naku crew yakho, ngibingelele nasemphakathini waseThembisa namaphethela igama nguNcebo kwaMqhaba member yeThembisa Community Forum. Ngize lana nje njengomzali member of the community futhi la eBukamuso la kuye kwaba nomshopi owenzekile kunomntwana ogwaziwe Mfanelo. Okubhlungu ukuthi njoba sibiziwe sibazali so umama umntwana ukhona khona la esikolweni uze washo nasemeetingeni ukuthi ngibhizi ngifonelwa abantwana abazali bomntwana lo ogwaze umntwanami babhizi bafuna ukuthi bazoxolisa into enjani leyo because okokuqala umntwana mbeka targeted la esikolweni and then okwesithu akaboshiswanga uye lo mntwana uboshiswe yimi ngingumzali so into efuna ngithini le mangizoloko ngipressurizwa ngamafoni ngifonelwa kuthiwa kimi kucela makukhulunywe le ndaba into enjani leyo esikolweni Mfanelo.
Bathini iway forward kuzoba yini kusuka manje mangabe nilalela njengoba futhi nibiziwe asikubonge nanokuthi nibiziwe nabazali kungathuli.
No iway forward ukuthi umzali lo umzali lo uze waqinisa nawo usayijeni umama usisi lona wathi kuye mababhizi balokho bakufonela futhi uzo reporta la kimi and then we will make a case kube i case ye obstruction intimidation or obstruction somewhere there kuzoba ne case efana naleyo because manje abazoloko bafonelana nawe bakuforce ukuthi mawenzeni so enye into futhi siyabazali sigcine sesibona ukuthi mhlawumbe kufuneka sikhethane sizolekelela egatini because futhi akusiyisikolo sokuqala lesi Mfanelo lesinalenkinga akusiyiso sodwa futhi lenkinga ikuzo zonke lezikolo Nkosi yami angazi ukuthi into kufuneka siyabazali kufuneka ukuthi sisukumini singesiyekele nje lento ekufuneka siyekele lokho ukuthi sibhizi sibona ngathi izinto zizoyilungela into izoyilungela Mfanelo.
Dumelang nna ka lebitso ke nna Lerato Nchoma ka mo sekolo se ke na le bana ba 5 ke wa grade 8 le grade 10 le grade 11 so na meeting o re bitseditsweng today wa principal a na le bothata ka bana ba sekolo nna ho ya ka nna ne ke nahane hore ka mo sekolong every day ke ho ka ba le assembly ibe Monday to Friday assembly I think ke yona e tlo etsang hore e tibele memoya e mebi ka mo sekolong ha ke go shaba nna ke a ba butsa bana ba ka ba re assembly ka ba e tshwara 1 or 2 mo bekeng which is na ke ntho na ke sa batleng re ka etsahala ka rona na go re kena sekolo ne re tshwara assembly each and every day and then dilo tse ne di sa etsahala and I think thapelo ke yona e bang e etsa go dilo ka fela di se tsa etsala tse mpe ka gore e kwalla memoya e mebe so ho ya ka nna ke assembly ka bantu every day.
Yini observile mathata angakanani, how much is the problem?
Mathata a mangata ka mo ke a bana ba hlabana ka dithipa ba shapana ka ditena and then like ba overpower batswadi ka dilo tse rong tse ba di etsang ka mo sekolong so rona re le batswadi ra iputsa why bana ba etsa so and then ba re ka se go ba charity begins at home sometimes ngwana dilo tsa di etsang ka mo ntlong ke dilo tsa di etsang ka mo ke dilo tsa tloanga di etsa ka mo ntlong ke dilo tsa tlo di etsang ha le mo hara batho so rona as batswadi re bitso as a parents meeting batswadi ba bang reactor e ka re maybe a re tsebe re makatswa ke dilo tse tswang ke bana ba rona whereas ngwana kgona mo bona ka mo ntlong gore ngwana o tloa a o change se ngwana o right so tshwanetse re mo solve ngwana from ka mo ntlong ga fitla ka mo sekolong a be ngwana right and o le motswadi o a kgona o bona ngwana wa tswa tseleng ga ona motswadi a sa kgona o bona ngwana a etsa dilo tse tswileng tsele o kgona mmona
sanibonani ukhuluma nowamuliya chairperson we-security forum eThembisa as a whole esinibona ngihamba ne-one of our officers sila esikolweni bukamuso today. Our main concern is abantwana bullying and gangster. So esila esikolweni 2 days ago kunabantwana bashayana balimazana into ezibuhlungu kakhulu ese-security forum. We try by all means, most of the time we called at night, during the day we come by, but abazali bayasilimaza ngangavuli ama-case. So besithi kuwe Thembisa online siyacela kakhulu esusakaza mhlambe umphakathi ungazo siyacela bavule ama-case. It's not all about damaging abantwana, it's all about checking the stats, how crime is there on the school, how's other measures that we can do to minimize that, because le nto iyasilimaza kakhulu. Besibuke kula bantwana it will be our future leaders, our teachers, our mayor and council tomorrow, but according to the system the way baphila ngakhona iyasithusa esumphakathi. Sinenokuvela la ikolweni sizosearcha sithole into ezakufana nabomanya open so on, which we cannot open the case C1. Sifuna abazali basilekelele sivule ama-case in order isikolo sibe safe. Principal yena sithanda umbonga kakhulu because we invited by him all the time. Makunento efana nale uyasifonela we come by. So principal akufana nayo kumele simbonga asaphila. So umphakathi siyacela kakhulu asibambisane nabantwana bafuna thina sisonke esumphakathi. Manje bona abafisa usihamba nabo. We are not here to do business. We are here to protect our future leaders. Freely so. Zero payment. At any time we used to come to the school. So siyacela umphakathi asisebenzisane sonke simeke sure abantwana bethu ba safe, ikoloni safe, because mawubuka these days zonke ikolo ziyagadwa. Ilavi siyazothi ikolo awumelanga zigadwe, amasonto awumelanga agadwe. So we mustn't allow this gangster abazokhula ngale ndlela, because sesibona ingozi phambili, sibona ngathi siyofa phambili, sishort abaholi. So siyacela umphakathi asisebenzisane sonke. Thank you baba.
Sanibonani mphakathi waseThembisa, nikhuluma no Sergeant Mgijima oyi-communications officer yaseThembisa police station, ngibuye futhi ngibe sector manager ye-sector 5.
Sichazele kabanzi inkinga esibhekene nayo ingakanani masibona nani nifikile la lithini iqhaza leni?
Fanele inkinga esibhekene nayo not only kule sikolo kodwa cishe izikolo zonke zala eThembisa nakwezinye indawo engeke ngizibalule, but mfanele into esisukumise phansi kulesi sikolo sibe ne complaint yesterday izolo kuyi Monday around abo 8 ekseni abantwana befika. We had to leave everything in station sigijimele la njengoba nginokuhamba nomlingane wami uSergeant Mukami okuyena osebenza ngezikolo social crime prevention ikolo zonke zala eThembisa. Bekunomntwana olimele kakhulu oshaywe abantwana bakhona kule sikolo bemshayela ngaphakathi khona la esikolweni. This was a serious concern to us as amaphoyisa, because we've been preaching into a1 kubazali ukuthi umntwana make fika ebuya esikolweni unento ongayiboni kahle wena umzali uthula uthini. According to ama reports wala esikolweni esiwatholile nakubo abantwana labo bathe this group of about 20 bathe this thing started on Thursday. There was a child owagwazwa nge something like a screwdriver esandleni nasemqolo. Wabuye futhi omunye washaywa ngestina enhloko on Friday. This child unama stitches enhloko. Then I'm asking myself as a parent, when umntwana efika estitchiwe utheni uye wathula wahlala nomntwana on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then on Monday came another incident. Lesisukumise phansi because umntwana begcwele igazi usiso ukuthi uyasiza la egate we Gauteng traffic warden ireflector bekeyigqokile begcwele igazi to show ukuthi umntwana ulimele kakhulu, nathi ngokombona kwethu umntwana uniform ibigcwele igazi. Then we had no choice but to advise the parent to open the case. We've been trying long time ago ukukhuluma nabazali nabantwana ukuthi this will land you in trouble. Uzofunda but ukufunda kwakho ngeke kukusendawo because uzobe sewune criminal record. So we've been trying to advise abantwana. We have ama school talks almost every day in all the schools. The principals can attest to that. Asithuli siyeke nje kanjalo. We are trying our level best. Hence we said it's no longer about indaba yobuntu ukuthi you will say ayingenza ubuntu abantwana angizubavulela icase. But what about if umntwana ezoshona when we are still sticking on ubuntu? Thina as amaphoyisa we have to do our part.
Mhlambe i-intervention yenu kusuka manje nanangemuva kwe-meeting kuzohamba kanjani?
Mfanelo, we've been patrolling ikolo zala ithembisa ziphuma from 2:30, especially ama-secondary, not the primary. We've been patrolling vele ikolo around with ama-stakeholders, ama-partners wethu, ama-security agencies, lawa abodibata, RSP, and many others that have come forward ukuthi they are willing to help because nabo ba aware. What we can say right now ukuthi can the parents also be part of this because it's getting out of hand. We don't want to a situation where we say amaphoyisa bewe on the other side of the township, then the unfortunate happened to this side. So we want to be everywhere, every time. At least the parents, if basinikeza izandla nabo, then kulula ukuthi siphakamise siye phambili. And the kids also at home, they will be knowing ukuthi abazali bethu they don't want what we are doing because these gangs abaziqalile and the groups la ekolweni, we are aware of them and we've been aware since about 2022. We had ama groups wokuthiwa ama 5 kilometer. We tried and we managed to disrupt those groups as much as nalama chisa ekuthiwa khona lana amavulela and all that. We are aware and we are working with our principals and teachers ukuthi sicishe lo mlilo. So we're just asking the parents to be part of this.
Your message to the parents?
Bazali, when you have opened the case, please do not be fooled or kube khona abazonincenga emakhoneni at the expense of umntwana bathi woza uzocisha icase. Lapho icase yovulwa yimi. So umntwana mayena 14 and underage nje ngisho. Umntwana mayesesikolweni umntwana mnikeza ichance umntwana because they will never stop. And as much as we always say, sometimes labantwana think ukuthi it's best ngoba for assault common asibabophi. But abazali, they must make sure that they apply for our protection orders. A protection order is an order by the magistrate. Immediately umntwana contravene a protection order, we have no choice but to arrest. So sicela abazali, please basincedise.
Asiyembeke ukuthi kuzobanjiswana ukuze ke kutholakale ke ixazululo kulezi inkinga ezikhona ezindabeni zethembisa online. Ngingumfanelo uPhenyi Bheshu wakwaDzanibe. Ithombe nemsindo siqoshele ubanelo Brazo Sondlo. Kanjalo ke nomnumzane ke uJ wakwaHlatshwayo esikoleni samabanga aphakeme sibiza ukuthi ke iBukamuso Secondary School khona lapha eThembisa.